morning, everyone. Good morning, 5A.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, everyone. Dear students, today we have to start a new topic, and you all know that today we will discuss a new topic. So I'm going to show you one video. Just watch this video, enjoy the song, and write the name of the topic in the chat box. Having one video for you. Enjoy this.
Okay.
What helps your muscles grow big and strong? Grow big and strong. What helps your legs run real fast? Run real fast. What helps your arms swim in the water? Swim in the water. What helps your body grow? It's good foods help your muscles grow. Good foods help you run real fast. Good foods help your arms to swim. Good foods, alright. Good foods, alright. Like apples, bananas, oranges and grapes. Chicken, fish, ham and steak. Broccoli, beans, carrots and corn. Potatoes, rice, may I have a little more? Yeah! What helps your body jump in the air? Jump!
Yes. What do you think? Which topic we are going to discuss today? What do you think? Which topic we are going to discuss today?
Food and health.
Very good, very good. Some students have already written the name. Yes, food and health, Riddhima, Priyam, Devansi, Antasu. Very good students. Now, I'm having one PPT for you for this topic. Thank you everyone. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Food and health. This is
Yes,
our
ma'am,
topic.
it is.
This is our topic. Now the learning objectives. What we will learn in this presentation? We have to know about nutrients and their importance. We have to know about healthy eating pyramid, proportion of foodstuffs for making our food balanced and good for health. Understanding the importance of eating a balanced diet. Then along with all these things, we will also know about the main components of a balanced diet and the different needs of our body to maintain good health. So these things we have to know today. Next, how many meals we are taking in a day? Can you name the meals that we take in a day? Yes, name the
Lunch, dinner, breakfast.
Okay, very good. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yes, right. We eat three. Yes, thank you. We eat 3 meals in a day, and these meals are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In these meals, we eat a variety of food stuff, and they contain different nutrients. Now, the word nutrients. Nutrients are the substances present in the food that are required for proper growth and development of our body, and these we can get from different food items, and the main nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. We can get all these nutrients from different food items, and these nutrients, we here see the picture given here. In this picture is a carbohydrate, showing carbohydrate, vitamin, mineral, protein, and this one is fat. So the food items that contains these nutrients are given here. Next is about healthy eating pyramid. Healthy eating pyramid. What is healthy eating pyramid? The healthy eating pyramid is a simple visual guide to the types and proportion of foods that we should eat every day for good health. What we should eat every day to maintain good health. So here from this pyramid we will know about what should be taken in the most, what should be eaten more, what should be eaten moderately, and what should be eaten less. But along with all these food items, drinking adequate amount of fluid, water or clear soup, this is also very important. We must drink adequate amount of fluid every day. So let's discuss about the healthy eating pyramid. See one picture I have given here. In the bottom, you can see that some pictures are given. These are the pictures of bread, cereals, potatoes. All these are products that provides us these food items gives us energy. Then fruits and vegetables, we can get vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. So here carbohydrates should be taken the most. Then what we should eat more? We should eat fruits and vegetable more. Then what we should eat moderately? That means not excessive. These are milk, cheese, dairy product, fish, meat, and other alternative. These should be eaten moderately. Next is about what we should eat less. So from this pyramid, you are able to see that these are gradually decreasing food items. So in the bottom, the food items given in the bottom, first step, that should be taken most. And in the top last, you can see here fat, oils, and confectionaries. That means the food items that rich in fat and sugary food item or salty food item, that should be taken in less amount. This is about the healthy food pyramid. So how we can make with the help of this healthy food pyramid, how we can make our balanced diet. Next is balanced diet. Balanced diet, before discussing the topic balanced diet, first we have to know about what is diet. In nutrition, diet is the sum of the food consumed by a person. So this is diet. Now a diet consisting of a variety of different foods and providing adequate amounts of nutrients necessary for good health is called a balanced diet. So balanced diet, in our balanced diet, all the nutrients must be present. Here I have given one picture, balanced diet, and all the nutrients names are given here. In these nutrients, carbohydrates and fats, these nutrients provide energy. Along with that, the fats keep our body warm. Vitamins and minerals, these are necessary for proper functioning of our body. Along with this, we also need protein that help to grow and repair the worn out tissues. Worn out tissues means what? Damaged tissues. So all these must be in our diet. This will make our diet balanced, and these will also keep us fit and healthy. Now I'm going to show you one food plate. Look here. Is it visible? Food plate?
Yes, ma'am.
So watch this. This will help you to know about the proportion of food items. Here bread, rice, potatoes, pasta and other starchy foods are given here. Then fruits and vegetables. This indicates the proportion of food items in our plate. Then this should be taken the most, that we have discussed. This should be taken, fruits and vegetables should be taken more. Then meat, fish, milk product, this should be taken moderately, not excessive. And foods and drinks which are high in fat and other food items, rich sugary food item, that should be taken less. This is about our balanced diet. Next, if we are taking a balanced diet, we will be fit and healthy, that we know. But along with this, what is important? The important thing is health. How to maintain our health? We are taking balanced diet, but along with balanced diet, other needs, our body needs something, other thing, that are health. What are these? Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being, that we have discussed in class 4 also, that health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. So for maintaining good health, our body needs a balanced diet, that we have right now we have discussed. Now along with balanced diet, regular exercise, proper rest, good personal hygiene and clean and hygienic surrounding These are very important. Along with these, we must visit to a doctor for regular medical checkup. So this is about balanced diet and health. Now we will watch some important videos related with this. The videos will help you to understand more about this topic. Let's watch the video, okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, first we will see the concept map of balanced diet. So, is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Okay, good. So, here balanced diet is written here. And in balanced diet, all the nutrients must be present. That makes our diet balanced. Protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, dietary fibers. These are the we can get from fruits and vegetables and whole grains. Okay. Now, along with all these nutrients, we also need fluid, and that is water. Water is also important because water helps in maintaining the fluid balance in our body and also essential part of our diet. Now, protein. This is a large complex molecule. Look here. What is protein? It is a large complex molecule made up of essential and non-essential amino acid. Proteins are essential thing, essential part of our diet. Carbohydrate is equally important. Fats we need, vitamins and minerals we need. All these things should be in correct proportion. Here in this concept map, you can also make this type of map in 1/4 chart paper. Sources are given here. Look here, sources: milk, beans, eggs and meat. Then helps, functions are also mentioned here. Helps in synthesis of new cells and repair damaged ones. Then carbohydrate. Sources are bread, rice, potato, milk and essential. These are essential because gives us energy. Carbohydrates give us energy. Fats also gives us energy, and the sources are butter, cheese and oil. Then vitamins and minerals, essential for proper growth, and the sources are fresh green leafy vegetables, grains, nuts. And in our balanced diet, fresh fruits, vegetables and starchy foods such as bread and potatoes should be in 50%. And next 30% is from meat, egg, fish and beans. And non-nutrients are also important because they help in smooth digestion of food, and the sources are the dietary fiber. Sources of dietary fibers are fruit, vegetables, whole grains and nuts. So this is about balanced diet, the sources and the functions. Let's watch some other video related with this. Okay.
Balanced diet.
Is it
Although the
visible and
foods we
audible?
eat are different, all
Yes,
of them
ma'am.
contain
Okay,
nutrients
okay.
such as
Watch this.
proteins, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, and minerals.
All these are important nutrients. Okay.
Proteins help produce new cells and repair damaged ones, meaning they help in the healing of wounds. Much of the protein we take comes from milk, beans, eggs, and
Listen
meats.
carefully. These are the sources.
Carbohydrates, also referred to as sugars, give us energy. We get carbohydrates from foods such as bread, rice, potatoes, and milk. Fats
Good sources
also
of
give us
carbohydrate.
energy, but along with that, they provide insulation for our bodies. Common fat sources include butter, cheese, and oils.
Fats also keeps our body warm.
Vitamins and minerals aid in proper growth and other metabolic functions. They are very common in milk, dairy products, fresh green leafy vegetables, grains, and nuts.
All these are good sources of vitamins
Dietary
and
fibers
minerals.
or roughage are non-nutrients, but they help to smoothly move food through the digestive system. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts provide us with good dietary fiber. Although it isn't a nutrient, water is an essential part of our diet. It helps in maintaining the fluid balance in our bodies. In order to grow and develop properly, it's critical that we eat a balanced diet, which simply means one that includes appropriate quantities of each nutrient. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and starchy foods such as bread, potatoes, and rice should make up the major portion, more than 50% of our meals. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, butter, and non-dairy foods such as meat, eggs, fish, and beans should make up about 30% of our meals. The smallest percentage of our diet should come from foods high in fat and sugar-rich drinks. Summary: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins are nutrients that are found in our food. Dietary fiber and water are not nutrients but should be included in our diet. A balanced diet gives us the appropriate nutrition, allowing the body to function properly.
So, we should therefore always take a diet which contains all the nutrients in appropriate amounts. It should also contain a good amount of roughage and water, and such a diet is called a balanced diet. Next, we will know about health. Okay? Now, health. How to maintain good health. Some healthy habits we have to follow to maintain good health.
One of the healthy habits is exercising or playing daily in open areas like parks and gardens. We get a lot of fresh air in parks and gardens. Exercising in fresh air supplies more oxygen to our brain and helps our nervous system. Apart from increasing mental fitness, exercise helps in maintaining physical fitness and strengthens our bones and muscles. While exercising, we take deep and quick breaths that strengthen our lungs. See the healthy habit. One of the healthy habits is exercising or playing daily in open air like parks and gardens. We get a lot of fresh air in parks and gardens. Exercising in fresh air supplies more oxygen to our brain and helps our nervous system. Apart from increasing mental fitness, exercise helps in maintaining physical fitness and strengthens our bones and muscles. While exercising, we take deep and quick breaths that strengthen our lungs. Exercising also increases blood circulation and the efficiency of the heart. We sweat when we exercise. Sweat helps in removing waste from our body. In the same way that exercising is important, so is taking proper rest. Every night we should sleep for at least 8 hours. Sleeping helps our body relax and makes us ready for the next day. Apart from the healthy habits like exercising and sleeping properly, how you sit also makes a lot of difference. Your posture should be correct while sitting, standing, and walking. Another healthy habit is eating fruit and vegetables. We should also drink 8 glasses of water every day as it keeps our body hydrated and clean. Another healthy habit is to eat breakfast every day. Let's quickly look at a few more healthy habits.
Now some more healthy habits.
Apart from good eating habits, you should also make a lot of friends and express your emotions to them.
Next is one activity
See
for
the
you.
healthy habits given in column A to put their benefits in front of them.
Here in column A, some healthy habits are given, and in column B, you have to write the correct answer for this. So exercise, which one is correct answer for this?
Strength, muscles and bones.
Strengthen muscles and bones. Okay. Playing in fresh air. Playing in fresh air.
Provide lot.
Yes.
Provide lots of oxygen.
Provide lots of oxygen. Okay. I'm submitting your answer. Then drinking water. Drinking water.
Keep body hydrated. Keep body hydrated.
Okay.
Keep body hydrated.
Okay. Deep and quick breath.
Strengthen
Yes. Answer the question.
Strength lungs.
Strengthen lungs. Okay. Sweating.
Remove
From body.
Okay. I'm submitting your answer. Let's check.
Well done.
Well
You
done.
have identified the benefits correctly.
Very good. Now I will show you one model that will help you to understand about the proportion and also about the, I will show you a model of food plate. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. See, as we have already discussed that in food pyramid, there are different types of food items in different proportion. So, see this pyramid? Here you can see different types of food items are given. Is it clearly visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's discuss about this food items. Here it is written, eat the most. So what should be eaten most? The food items
rice,
like, yes, bread, rice, cereals, all the food items from grains and cereals that should be eaten the most. I have pasted these pictures. See this picture. Yes. Look here. Bread. So, all these food items should be taken the most. Next is, here it is written, eat more. And the pictures, fruits and vegetables, all the different types of fruits and vegetables. Yes. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here I have given the picture of different types of fruits and vegetables. These should be eaten more. Next one is, eat moderately, as we have discussed, not in excessive amount. So here I have given some pictures. These are milk and dairy products and bean products. See this. Milk product, dairy product, bean products, and in the topmost, here it is written eat less. That means we should eat the items, yes, fat, sugary food item, salty food item in less amount. So this gradually decreasing. This pyramid shows that what we should eat the most, what should we eat more, what should be eaten moderately, and what should be eaten in less amount. This is our healthy eating pyramid. And about pyramid we have already discussed this thing. Next is about a balanced diet, how we can make our healthy plate. So I'm having one plate for you. Watch this one. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you name the food items given here? Can you name the food items? Yes. Name the food items.
Fruit, vegetable,
Yes.
fruit, vegetable, milk, dairy,
Yes. So
breads,
and proportion is also mentioned here, written. Look here. This shows that this should be eaten the most, then more, then what should be eaten moderately? Milk products, bean products, and in less amount we should take the food items that are rich in fat, sugary food items, and salty food items.
sugar.
Yes, I think this is visible to you. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. You can also make this type of food plate. An eat well plate shows how much of what you eat should come from each food group. Clear? Is it clear? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next, I am going to show you some interesting live worksheet and game link. I will send this in your chat box so that you can do this.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the link is in your chat box. Yes, is it visible to you, my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, already I have shared this in your chat box, and also I will send the link in your class WhatsApp group. You have to write your name here, your class here, and we have discussed about the healthy food pyramids. On the basis of this healthy food pyramid, you have to answer these questions, fill in the blanks. Okay, so it is important. Some words are here given here, keywords. Okay, important words are given here. It is important to be fit and healthy. To dash healthy, we must eat well. Yes.
to keep.
Okay. I'm submitting your answer, writing your answer. Okay. A balanced meal dash of all the main classes of food.
Like
A balanced.
consist.
Okay. Next is a balanced meal consists of all the main classes of food dash proteins, carbohydrate, fats, mineral salts, vitamins, and roughage. What should be written?
Like.
Okay. Writing your answer.
Like
Okay. Next one is proteins protect us from diseases dash carbohydrates give us energy.
while
Okay. Okay. Dash eating well we must also exercise regularly.
besides
Okay. Okay, writing your answer. Yes. Now you can also get the score at the same time. When you will submit this, finish this, you can get the score. I am submitting this. Okay. Like this you have to do. You can also check your answer. And you will get the score at the same time. So it is showing 10 out of 10. All correct answer. Well done. We have discussed so many points about balanced diet, about healthy food pyramid, what should we eat more, what should we eat less. Now I'm having one interesting game link for you. I'm sharing that game link. I'm sharing that game link, okay, in the chat box. Is it there? Touch that link and enjoy the game. I have shared this one, okay? Link is there in your class chat box, in your link chat box. Yes. Now, like this, you can start the game. Some words are given here: essential fatty acids, carbohydrate, protein, dairy, fruits and vegetables. And functions are given here. You have to write the correct answer here. So for fats, what we can write here? For fats, essential fatty acid. Okay, writing your answer. Then vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. What should be written here? Vitamins and minerals.
Fruit and vegetable.
Okay. Then healthy teeth and bones. For healthy teeth and bones.
Dairy.
Dairy. That means
And protein.
okay. That means milk and milk products. Then for energy. Carbohydrate. Right now we have discussed. And for growth and repair.
Protein.
Growth and repair of damaged tissue or worn out tissues, we need protein. Okay, I'm submitting your answer. This is completed. I'm submitting your answer. Let's check the answer. Well done. Very good. All correct answer. So students, you have done correctly. You have completed this. Now I'm going to show you one Google form link. That link is related with this topic, and you have to answer all these questions in Google form. Along with that, you have to answer the question in your homework notebook. Okay, I'm pasting this link in your chat box. I will also give this link in your class WhatsApp group. Don't worry. The link is in your chat box. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the topic is food and health. Your name should be here written here. आपको अपना नाम लिखना, okay? Then roll number. Then the first question is, nutrients are the substances present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. Whether this statement is right or wrong, true or false? True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Very good. Then these food stuff should be eaten less. Which food stuffs? Which food stuff should be eaten less?
Fat, sugar, and salt.
Okay. Fat, sugar and salt. Then these nutrients provide energy to our body. Which nutrients provide energy? Carbohydrates and fats.
Carbohydrates and minerals.
With carbohydrates and fats, we have discussed about that carbohydrates and fats provide energy, and fats keeps our body warm. Next one is for maintaining good health. Our body needs what to maintain good health?
All of the above.
Okay. All of the above. Okay. A balanced diet, regular exercise, proper rest, all of the above. Okay. You have given this answer, selected this one. These food items are good sources of which nutrient? See the food items and then answer the question.
Carbohydrate.
Okay.
Carbohydrate.
Okay, very good. So, like this, you have to appear the test, this Google form test, and also do this question answer. And this is required. You have to write your name, you have to write your roll number, and you have to submit this in Google form. Along with that, you have to write this in your homework notebook also. So students, I am having one or two, three food items. Just name the nutrient that is present in that food item. I am having one food item for you. Okay. So is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? The topic, food and health. Food and health topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is this? What is this? What is this? From milk products, what we can get? Yes, from milk products, what we can? Yes, cheese. This one is cheese. Cheese and milk products are the good sources of vitamins and minerals. Oranges are the good sources of what? Orange? Oranges are the good sources of what? Yes.
Mineral.
Yes.
Vitamin.
Which vitamin? Can you answer? Which vitamin?
Vitamin and mineral.
Which vitamin? Which vitamin? Which vitamin?
C.
Vitamin C. Very good. Very good. So this is for today, and next day we will discuss more about this chapter. In next topic is diseases that we have to discuss in next class. Now what we have learned today? We are up to this we have discussed. Now what we have learned today? This is the summary. First one is nutrients. We have learnt about the nutrients are important for proper growth and development of our body. Next, a balanced diet contains all the nutrients in correct proportion. Then we have discussed about the different types of food, that is energy giving food, body building food, protective food should be taken in appropriate amounts. And why? To make our diet balanced. And to maintain good health, regular exercise, proper hygiene and cleanliness are equally important. So we have to take care of these things and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, bye bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.